Find the LCM of 36 and 52. To find the LCM, first we should frame it in this way. 36, 52. This is your step 1. Now you should focus on to the first number, which is 36 here. For this number, last digit 6, even, so take 2. First number 3. A number close to 3 in 2 table is 2 ones 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 carried forward 16. When do we get 16 in 2 table? 2, 8, 16. The other number 52, last digit 2, even, so this is divisible by 2. First number 5, a number close to 5 in 2 table is 2 2s 4. 5 minus 4, 1, 1 carried forward 12. When do we get 12 in 2 table? 2, 6, 12. Now here we have 18, 18 is 2 9s 18. The other number 26, last digit 6, even, so this is divisible by 2. First number 2, when do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. The other number 6, when do we get 6 in 2 table? 2 3s 6. Now here we have 9, 9 is 3 3s 9. The other number 13, not divisible by 3, so we write it down as it is. Now here we have 3, 3 is a prime number, so 3 1s 3. The other number 13, not divisible by 3, so we write it down as it is. Now we got 1 here, so focus on to the other number 13. 13 is a prime number, so 13 ones 13. So we got 1 in both the places. So our LCM is the product of these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. So let us multiply these numbers. 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 into 3 36 into 13. 13 6 78 8 7. 13 3 is 39 plus 7 46. So 468 is our LCM.